In just a few months, people convicted of animal abuse will face harsher penalties in Texas. Over the weekend, Governor Abbott signed a law turning a Class A misdemeanor into a third-degree felony.
Right now, only repeat offenders can get 2 years in jail. But in September, Texans could face up to 20 years for repeat offenses. KXAN political reporter Phil Prazen takes an in-depth look at what the new charges could bring.
If you didn't know better, Ferdinand here would look like Natalie Lynch's law partner. Her adopted cat, Batgirl, shouts her opinions from the other room. After a year in Houston prosecuting animal cruelty, she saw many animal abusers go free, then go on to abuse people. Now, she volunteers with the Texas Humane Legislation Network to make Texas animals safer.
Stopping those people and getting them into the jails, but also getting them the help that they need at the beginning, because there are actual consequences now that we have a new law.
It will affect.
Travis County has its own animal abuse docket. Prosecutor Eric Nielsen says stiffer punishment will get people to plead guilty and accept probation.
Certainly the idea of well, I might spend up to 2 years in a state jail facility versus I might spend 10 years in a prison is something that I think any defense attorney would have to really talk with their client about.
But he says the law could make some court convictions harder to come by.
If they go to trial, it may persuade a jury in the opposite way to say, we just don't believe killing this dog or cat or whatever the animal was is worth 10 years in prison, 8 years in prison.
But back with Ferdinand, Lynch hopes getting the word out will stop abuse and save taxpayers money by keeping animals out of area shelters.
It doesn't matter if you're an animal person or not. This hits our bottom line.
Phil Prazen, KXAN News.
Austin police did not want to speculate on how this law could impact them, but they say they rarely see repeat offenders. We asked, and APD estimates close to 80% of the cases they see are neglect or abandonment. Those are Class A misdemeanors. They only file around 15 felony cases a year, but they do say the crime is common. The APD Animal Cruelty Unit averages about 500 cases a year. The animal cruelty law was not the only change to protect animals in Texas. Today, Governor Abbott signed a bill making bestiality a crime in Texas as well.
Supporters